What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh. We're back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. So, your boy just finished uploading the Air DT Max 96 Deion Sanders, the gold and black colorway, y'all. Definitely a happy buyer with that one. That was a definitely good cop. If you're, around my age, around my, I may not say that what age I am, but if you grew up around the era that I grew up in sneakers, then that was definitely a nostalgic buy for y'all, and definitely a non-OG colorway to pick up. Good material on it, good craftsmanship on the sneaker. If y'all want to know, just check it out. Check that video out. Make sure you hit that like button on it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell, y'all. If you're new to the channel, support your boy. I upload videos whenever I can and whenever I'm available. I work, so this is just definitely a hobby, and I just put my 2 cents on a release and a sneaker out there, y'all. So all right, well, today's video is another sneaker review. It is a sneaker review on a sneaker that wasn't as hyped, and of course, because of it, it suffers that hype beast fate of hitting the sale rack and just getting demolished. As far as that's not a good looking sneaker, whatever. All right, well, you know what? I was able to cop that. Because of that, I was able to cop the sneaker below retail on sale, and then I used discount on it. So double whammy. Hey, if you could do that, why not, y'all, right? Hey, so again, not a hype buy. Everybody's not too crazy about the sneaker. I was just waiting for it to hit. I knew this for sure that I liked it. I knew it was for sure gonna go on sale, so I just waited, played the long game and waited for it. So all right, let's get to what sneaker it is. It comes in this box right here, y'all. Boom. As y'all can see, it's your typical Jordan retro box for a certain silhouette. Let me read the label on it. It is the Air Jordan 6 Retro. Color is white black, size 10. And ladies and gents, in front of me, I have the Air Jordan 6 Oreos. And we're gonna get to the whole Oreo nickname on these, y'all, because I don't know. So just like I expected it, y'all. Not too shabby. Check it out. Now, first impressions, y'all. Leather's good. The colorway is good. Craftsmanship is good. No glue stains. So far, no damage, no dings, no nothing. Good Air Jordan 6 sneaker. Comes with only white laces, of course. Like I said, it's not a hype release or anything like that, so didn't get paid too much attention to it. But overall, it's a dope sneaker. I mean, it's a Jordan 6, right? They never really, go wrong on Jordan 6s. I would say, tell you the truth, and I've said this before on other videos, they don't go bad on retro silhouettes until they start doing all this kind of experimenting with different materials and whatnot. The long nappy hair suede that I hate, different patterns, different like that. One thing that I hate is when they do the fake laces on Jordan 4s. If a sneaker comes with that, it is an automatic turn off for me. I'm definitely not copping that retro 4. 6s, the low 6s are definitely a no-go for me. But pretty much any 6 is dope for me, as long as it doesn't have a crazy pastel color or anything like that. Only exception to that was the hairs. I thought that they were infrared on some of the parts of the Air Jordan 6 hairs, but they were actually kind of pinkish. I wasn't too happy about that, but hey, I bought them to match with my daughter too, because my daughter has those. But you know what? I'm rambling too much right now. It's about this sneaker though. This is a dope buy, I think, so far. So let's get this in front of the camera so y'all can make the decision if this was a dope buy or not. and y'all can check out the quality of the sneaker and the materials that are on it, y'all. So there's nothing left to it. Man, I messed that up so bad. There's nothing more to it than to do it, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 6 Retro, or Air Jordan Retro 6 Oreos. So, man, you know what? I kind of feel bad calling these Oreos because I think that the little, we'll get to that, but I don't think it's enough on this to call it an Oreo. So let's get these sneakers out of the way to take a quick look at the box. Is your generic Air Jordan 6 box, y'all. But y'all know on here, we're not looking at boxes, we're looking at kicks, y'all. So, all right, so back to what I was saying. I don't think that the little black and white speckle on the side is not warranted enough to give it an Oreo colorway. So remember, this is mostly white. Oreos are two predominantly chocolate cookies that are in lack of color with a little bit of white filling. So unless you get the double stuff, right? But anyway, again, this is mostly white with, you know, a little bit of black here and there, black speckle, you know, black with white speckles on it. So if anything, this I think they should be called reverse Oreos, but hey, I don't work at Nike. I don't want to sign nicknames, y'all. So, and not only did I catch these on sale, but I got a $20 coupon that I was able to use Finish Line, and boom. So I got these for, I believe they were 120 or less. And, you know, after taxes and all that, you know, probably like around 130, 140. But nonetheless, under retail Jordan buys, always a good thing. The tumble leather on them is pretty dope. Let's see, can we get, yep, can we get the up close? Look at that. Nice tumble leather, soft plush leather, y'all. And then you got your, of course, your clear Jordan 6 sole right there with the other solid colors on the bottom of the sole. You know, there you go right there. Boom. So other than that, nothing that's too crazy about the sneaker. Definitely you know, a pair to just walk around, you know, wear around the crib or wear around, you know, going to from a store or something like that. Nothing extravagant about it. You know, this was the real reason these were on sale is probably because, you know, there wasn't a big hype behind these, y'all. There was definitely not a big uproar about this colorway. That's why I was able to get them so cheap. But a win for me or a loss for somebody else is definitely a win for me. I'm glad these went as cheap as they did, so I didn't have to break the bank to get them. So, all right, y'all. Well, let me know what y'all thought about these. So these are cop or pass for y'all. Did y'all rock one, stock one on these? Did y'all cop them as cheap as I did? Because that's all that really matters sometimes, you know, is what's in the bank and what you could get. So, all right, y'all, well, let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. There's nothing left to do other than get back in front of this camera, get our final comments and thoughts on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review and up close look at the Air Jordan 6 Oreos. Now, again, I saw I wouldn't really call these the Oreos, but hey, I don't make up decisions on nicknames and stuff, so definitely more of a reverse Oreo to me because of how much white it is on there. But hey, it is what it is, y'all. So, but definitely pick up. Goodbye, y'all, and just waiting to hear what you guys think about this. Make sure you hit some, you know, comments on the comment section for the review of the up close and personal review of the Air Jordan 6 Oreos, y'all. Let me know what y'all feel about these. Let me know if y'all digging them. Let me know if y'all missed on them purposely or by mistake or whatever. Definitely was a nice cop for me, I believe. So, hey, anyway, there's nothing more left to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Air Jordan 6 Retro Oreos. Nice pickup, clean colorway. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.